We all live with technology, and we expect that technology to work. But for that to happen, industry has to conceive of the product, design it, and then build it. A crucial part of the process actually depends on many thousands of fasteners and machined parts. It's really the hidden part of the world inside almost everything we use every day. Richard Manno and Company's 20,000 square foot facility is located in West Babylon, New York. They are leading manufacturers of high-quality fasteners and machined parts. In a recent visit there, I spoke with the company's founder and CEO, Richard Manno. Richard, let's start with the basics. When you talk about fasteners and machine parts, just what do you mean?
We manufacture parts for all type of industries. We manufacture parts for military, medical, we manufacture parts from computers, we manufacture parts for aerospace. We can make anything from here to the moon.
Well, how can your company satisfy such a wide diversity of products and still stay competitive?
Well, because we manufacture the parts for you when you need them. We supply them to you when you need them so that they don't have to keep the parts in their warehouse, and we'll manufacture them and stock them for them. And because we're able to run your requirements at a larger level than small quantities, we're able to keep the pricing competitive. And also we supply you quality, we supply you delivery, we give you the parts when you want it, not when you don't want it, and you should only pay for it when you want to pay for it.
But how do you do that?
We do special parts. So we can manufacture special parts, make them, put them through our engineering department, and get them out to you, to your specifications or to your blueprints. And we can supply them to the customers at a better price, better delivery, better service. This is Sam.
Hi. Nice to meet
Sam,
you.
how are you?
Nice to meet you.
Now, what's your part in the operation?
Well, I take care of the material racks. As you can see, I got 3 racks here. It's available material from stock. I have all different types. Brass, aluminum, alloy steels, stainless steels, different shapes.
How's it sorted? Is it?
Well, it's all in its own bin, in different sizes and different categories, whether it be 303 or 416 or A286. And I have 3 different racks. This one is available for inventory. This is for jobs that are already running. And this rack on this side is for jobs waiting for machines.
Now, Richard, what happens here?
Okay, we started with the raw material. Now Sebastian will explain to us what the next operation
Well,
is.
these are called Swiss screw automatics. They run on a cam-operated machine on a 360-degree cycle. They can run very fast, from 2 seconds to 5 minutes and a half, 10 minutes, all depends what type of material you use on it. From very hard material to very soft material. It can also have a capacity of between 1/16 of an inch to 1 inch and 1/4. All depends how big the capacity of the machine is.
And how many machines do you have here?
We got 43 machines in which we can make a very quick turnaround for our customers.
Now, Richard, this machine looks completely different from the one we just saw.
Yes, this is a CNC, and Sam, explain to them what this machine does.
Okay. Well, this machine has more different capabilities than the other cam-operated machines. It works on the same style with the sliding headstock, but you're not limited to 360 degrees. You can actually program it to keep going, and you can do more operations on it. Single point threading, milling, slotting, things of that nature.
So is this state of the art?
It's pretty well up there, yes. And, make changes instead of adjusting the tool with a wrench. You just go into an offset screen. If you want to move it 5/10, you just change the number 5/10 of an inch. Or you can look at the position screen and see exactly where your tools are also. In absolute dimensions or in incremental, or absolute and incremental, so you know where you are at all times. Okay, let me show you some of the parts these machines are capable of making.
I'd love to see them. Now, these really look intricate.
Well, this is a piece that can be made in like 1 minute a piece. It's got an interference fit thread on it, something they just can't roll. So we have to do it single point. And you can see I can go from small capacity up to a bigger capacity on all of these machines. And these are some of the more complicated pieces that we can make.
Tim, this is Mauricio. He's operating this machine. We do 8 different operations on this piece. We start doing the milling here, and then we go in and we drill it and counterbore it. Then we come around and we slot it, and then we slot all the way through it, and then we come around again. And when we come around again, we counterbore it back. Okay? And then after we do that, then we send the reamer through the center of this part. And there's 8 different operations that are done at this part at the same time. This machine drops about every 12 seconds it drops a part. Where normally the machine does all of these things. Yeah, exactly. And so we're able to produce almost 10 times the amount of product in a short amount of time.
That's great.
Yes.
Innovation is a vital part of the Manno story. When customers said they needed handles, the company created a unique custom handle machine capable of making handles in a wide variety of sizes, styles, and materials. To ensure that all machine parts are totally clean and free of any debris or coatings, the parts are first rinsed and dried.
Tim, this is Louis. Louis, this is Tim.
Hello.
He's an inspector, and what he's doing is checking product that's coming off the incoming inspection. That's what he's doing. He's going to be checking the parts to the print, to the drawings, and making sure that they're correct.
Richard explained that the highly trained staff ensure total quality with rigorous testing procedures and in-process quality control. This unrelenting dedication to total quality means the finished products are perfect. In recognition of that commitment, the company's been awarded the prestigious ISO 9002 designation.
Tim, this is Bobby Long. Bobby Long is in charge of quality control in Richard Manno Company. Right now what he's doing is he's setting the Johnson gauge to check gauges and let him explain to you exactly what he's doing.
We do all our setups for our gauging on our Johnson gauges. It can tell you tapers and out of rounds. We do all our final inspection on the Johnson gauge before we ship them out to our customers.
So you're the last step.
This is the last step.
Okay. Once the perfect product is produced, the packaging, inventory, and shipping departments swing into action. Items to be packed and shipped in bulk are first checked against their original order, counted, and weighed. State-of-the-art bagging and packaging allows Manno to provide individually wrapped product packs, which identify the item and the exact quantity per bag. Once again, Manno's total commitment to quality and customer satisfaction is proudly expressed with the Big Q seal on the front of every bag. An efficient network of scheduled ground, air, and overnight shippers enables just-in-time delivery. The customer chooses the method of delivery, controlling their costs and delivery schedules. The product arrives on time and on budget.
Tim, this is where our inventory is. This is where the shipping people are coming back in here. They're pulling out the material for customers. A lot of it's repeat business, so we know that we put the stuff in stock. This way they're going to keep on coming back for it, and we can manage their inventory without any contracts to them. So that the end result is we can take care of the customer because the inventory is here, the stuff when they need it, and they can rely on us to make sure that the product is here when they want it.
So that cuts down on the time before it's end.
And then we can manufacture that going forward, and that's why we do it this way.
Now you know who we are and what we believe in. Here's our commitment to you. When you call Richard Manno & Company, you'll find that our friendly, courteous staff is dedicated to total customer satisfaction. Whether you need a standard part from our significant inventory or a custom-designed part, it all begins with your bright ideas. On-staff technicians will meet your precise specifications, and our state-of-the-art technological ability guarantees no matter how large or small the job is, we will deliver a value-driven product on time and on budget, manufactured with the pride of American craftsmanship. We invite you to become part of our team, where you can count on all of us for service, quality, and exceptional value.